If everyone is using AI to write federal proposals, how do you make sure you don't sound exactly like your competitors? That is the multi-million dollar question. Today, we're moving past the generic and into the elite. Today, we are cutting the fluff. I'm giving you the exact action-packed steps to use AI as your ultimate insider advantage. You will leave with clarity, efficiency, and the absolute certainty needed to win. I'm Derek James. I personally won 32 contracts worth over $15 million for small businesses, and my students have secured over $75 million in small business contracts. I know what wins. I've built a free learning hub at learngovcon.net to help you master these steps at your own pace. I'll share how to access that at the end of the video, but right now we have work to do. Let's dive in. The biggest mistake small businesses make is using AI as a crutch. They generate generic robotic templates that every contracting officer recognizes and immediately throws in the trash. It's a waste of time. When you sound like everyone else, you're a commodity. In government contracting, commodities are bought on price alone. To win on value, you need an edge. You need to sound like an insider who understands the mission. We are going to use AI as a strategic weapon to give you that edge. I've broken this down into 5 practical, action-packed steps. For every step, I'm giving you homework so you can implement this today. Step number 1, the insider prompting framework. Most people start with a NAICS code. We are starting with deep agency intelligence to ensure your proposal hits the mark every time. If you just feed the AI a NAICS code and say, write a proposal, you get garbage. Instead, you must train the AI on the agency's specific pain points. You are creating a golden source of truth for your AI to draw from. First, find the agency's latest strategic plan. Second, extract the director's top 3 priorities. Third, feed that exact text into your AI as the core context. This forces the AI to speak the agency's actual language, not corporate fluff. This is called the mirror method. By mirroring the agency's documented challenges, you instantly build credibility. The contracting officer isn't just reading a bid, they are reading a solution that feels like it was written by one of their own. When you solve documented problems, you remove the risk for the government. They aren't guessing if you can do the job. You've proven you understand the job better than anyone else. This is how you win before the evaluation even starts. Your homework for step 1. Find one past RFP from your target agency. Extract the background section, feed it to your AI, and ask it to identify 3 unstated challenges they are likely facing. Write them down. Step number 2, compliance matrix automation. This step gives you the efficiency to bid more often and the certainty that you will never be disqualified. A missed shall statement is an automatic loss. Manually reading 300 pages is slow and dangerous. Use AI to scan the entire RFP and extract every mandatory requirement into a structured compliance matrix instantly. Once you have the requirements, use AI to map them to your technical and price volumes. This volume mapping ensures that every single request from the government has a corresponding compliant answer in your proposal. No gaps allowed. The real insider secret, add a human insight column. While the AI handles the compliance, you use the time you save to write the how, the unique methodology that proves you are superior to the competition. AI finds the what, you provide the how. When your proposal is perfectly aligned with the RFP structure, the evaluator's job is easy. An easy to grade proposal is a high scoring proposal. You are building trust through precision and professional organization. Homework for step 2, take your next RFP and use AI to build a baseline compliance matrix. Then, spend 20 minutes manually writing the human insight for just the top 5 requirements. See the difference. Step number 3, predictive market research. We aren't just looking for what's active, we are predicting what's coming next to get a head start. Use AI to analyze years of past award data for your specific NAICS code within your target agency. Look for the spending trajectory. Is the agency increasing its investment in your area, or is it pivoting? You need to know. Now use AI to perform incumbent intel. Analyze the last 5 years of their performance if it's public. Find their weaknesses, maybe they're slow or their tech is outdated. AI can find these patterns in industry day notes and Q&A sessions. When you know where the incumbent is failing, you can build your entire proposal around being the obvious upgrade. You aren't just another bidder, you're the solution they've been waiting for. This is how you unseat long-term incumbents. Market research is about moving from guessing to knowing. When you show a contracting officer that you've analyzed their agency's spending trends and identified a gap, you're not just a vendor, you're a consultant. That's an insider position. Your homework for step 3, ask your AI to analyze the award summaries of the last 5 contracts in your target NAICS code. Identify one common weakness mentioned in the industry feedback or requirements. Step number 4, the AntiRoot Scrub. This is where we ensure your proposal sounds like a committed human expert, not a mindless machine. AI defaults to robotic jargon like delve, synergy, and leverage. Contracting officers see this as a red flag for laziness. They want clear, mission-focused language that proves you actually know how to do the work. Use AI to draft the baseline, but then use a specific active voice prompt. Tell the AI to rewrite this for an 8th grade reading level using only active direct verbs. You want to be the easiest proposal they have to read all day. Remember, evaluators are tired. If they have to search for your meaning, you lose points. When you are clear, you provide them with confidence. A clear proposal is a winning proposal. Don't let the robot flatten your personality. At the end of the day, a person is awarding this contract. They want to feel your commitment and expertise. Use AI to polish your grammar, but keep your authoritative, results oriented voice. That is what builds long term trust. Homework for step 4: take one page from a recent proposal. Prompt your AI to remove all corporate fluff and replace it with direct, mission focused verbs. Compare the two versions side by side. Finally, step number 5: the virtual contracting officer. This is the ultimate insider check to make sure your package is absolutely airtight. Before you hit submit, you need a brutal critique. Humans miss things when they're tired. Instruct your AI to act as a highly critical, meticulous contracting officer whose job is to find a reason to reject you. Feed the AI Section L and Section M of the RFP along with your draft. Have it score your proposal against the exact evaluation criteria. It will find the logical leaps and the missing proofs that you would have otherwise missed. This iterative refinement process is how you move from a good proposal to an airtight submission. Don't just fix the grammar, fix the strategy. If the AI flags a weakness, add the human context and data to make it a strength. When you go through this virtual red team review, you hit submit with total certainty. You know you've addressed every concern and met every requirement. You aren't just hoping to win, you are expecting to win. That's the insider edge. Your final homework: create a custom prompt for your AI to act as a strict evaluator, feed it your executive summary, and demand it give you 3 brutal reasons why they should reject your bid. Then, fix them. When you implement these 5 action packed steps, you are operating at an elite level that most small businesses never even dream of. You're not just using AI, you're mastering it. You have the insider prompting framework, compliance automation, predictive market data, the anti-robot scrub, and the virtual contracting officer. You have the ultimate edge over your competition. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about engineering a proposal so clear, compelling, and compliant that the government feels complete certainty in choosing you as their partner. You are building a legacy. To get more practical, actionable steps and continue building your federal contracting empire, you need to visit learngovcon.net right now. The tools are waiting for you. I've built a comprehensive learning hub there completely free to give you the exact strategies my students use to win over $75 million in contracts. Don't leave your win to chance. Stop guessing and start winning. Go to learngovcon.net today, access the hub, and I'll see you inside. Let's go win those contracts.